Hi, this is Lindsay at Repurpose and Upcycle, and I want to show you how to paint a wall to look like a headboard. This is what the wall looked like before the faux headboard. It was painted dark brown, and we wanted to lighten it up. Let's talk about materials for a minute for this faux headboard. You're going to need molding, a ruler and a level, paint, caulk, paintbrush, and a pencil. Once you've gathered your materials and you've decided on the dimensions of your faux headboard, you're going to apply the molding. Now, I'm not going to show you how to apply molding. I will link that below for another video that I have about that. For this project, I used a peel and stick molding product. Like I said, I will link that below, but you can also use regular picture frame or just regular molding. Once the molding is applied, you need to caulk all sides of it. Once the caulk is fully dry, you need to prime and paint the molding and inside the molding. It took us 2 full coats of a primer plus paint product. After you've touched up anything, it's time to decorate. I love how the white faux headboard really brightens this room up. How simple was that? Like I always say, it doesn't take a lot of time, energy, or money to make something beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. You can see all the details on the blog, repurposeandupcycle.com.